Hi guys, I'm Flourish Lucky, your Forex coach. Guys, in our last video, we talked about what is Forex. And in this video, we're going to be talking about what is being traded in the Forex market. Now, if you are new here, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and share. Hit the like button right now. Hit it right now. It's not going to take anything from you. That's the most you can do for me. All right, let's get right into this right now, okay? Um, what is being traded in the forex market? You can see number one here is currencies, and these currencies that have been traded in the forex market are traded in pairs. You don't trade a single currency, you trade them in pairs. Let's say you want to trade the dollar. Let's say you heard that dollar is going to be strong, and probably from the news or from some other sources that the pound is weak. Now, how do you trade the dollar? How do you buy the dollar? You can either go on and trade GBP USD. Now, this is a currency pair. You can either go and trade this one for a short. You can sell the pound and simultaneously buy. You can sell the pound and simultaneously buy the US dollar. So this is simply what it means. You can trade GBP USD by selling the pound and simultaneously buying the dollar. Okay. Now, if you are doing that, it means you are simply buying the stronger currency because you've heard from some sources that the US dollar is going to be very, very strong. Okay, so that is how the forex market is being traded when trading currencies. When you're trading currency, always remember, guys, you don't trade a single currency, rather, you trade a currency pair. Now, this is a table of the major currencies in the world. These are the 8 major currencies in the world. Number one, we have the United States dollar, we have the euro, we have pound, we have NZD, we have AUD, we have CHF, we have CAD, we have JPY. You can take a screenshot of these so that later on you can probably use it to study and stuff like that. Because I honestly believe that if you go on and study this, you are going to become good with FX trading. So let's go to number 2, guys. Number 2, before I go to number 2, each currency have their own nickname, just so that when you hear it outside, you probably hear it from a fellow trader like you will know that what the trader is talking about. Now, we can see the US dollar. The nickname for the US dollar is bulk. The nickname for euro is fiber. The nickname for pound is cable. That one is so common. People talk about cable everywhere. For the NZD, they call it the Kiwi. For AUD, they call it Aussie. You get Aussie. And then for CHF, we have Sweezy. For CAD, they call it Loni. I don't know why they call it that, but for yen, yen still remains yen. That's from the Japan. They call it the Japanese yen. So, guys, number 2, we have commodities, guys. Commodities is being traded in the forex market. You might wonder, how is it being traded in the forex market? Bro, I will tell you that later. But now just understand that commodities is traded in the forex market, and gold being on the top is the number one commodity that is being traded in the forex market. It's largely traded in the forex market, the gold, and it is traded in ounce. Okay, by the time I'm making this video, 1 ounce of gold was sitting at around $1,670. Okay, number 2, we have silver, we have natural gas, corn, wheat, sugar, and coffee, and etc. There are so many commodities that have been traded in the financial market. Okay, number 3, I think we have stock and stock indices. We have the stock and the stock indices. Let me explain what an index is. An index, guys, simply means a basket of financial assets or a basket of financial instruments. Okay, now we can also have dollar index. We can also have dollar index. We can have pound index. We can have yen index. The dollar index is the most common index in the currency world. But for the stock market, one of the most common stock index, you will see it here, right now. We'll talk about it. Now let's go straight into it. Number 1, we have Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, Google. The Facebook is now known as Meta. We all know what Facebook is, guys. It was Facebook for over 20 years. Oh, not over 20 years. So Facebook for over 10 years before it was changed into Meta, guys. So these are like the top stocks in the United States. These are like the top companies. Stocks are literally just companies that are listed in the New York State Stock Exchange or in any other exchange that are out there. Number two, I will talk about the stock indices. Now we have the Nasdaq, we have the S&P 500, we have German 30. We have the Nasdaq, also known as NAS 100. Some of your brokers are going to put it as NAS 100. And for the newbie that is here that doesn't know what a broker is, I will talk about that in the subsequent videos. So NAS 100 is a stock index, the basket of the top 100 tech companies in the United States. We have the S&P 500, stands for Standard and Poor's 500. We have the German 30. The German 30 is from the Eurozone. Okay, you can see that as DE30 on your brokerage account. Lastly, we talk about the cryptocurrency, which has been the talk of the day, the talk of the, like, is the most searched thing on Google lately. The cryptocurrency. You must have heard of cryptocurrency before. It's simply a currency that is not being controlled by the government. It doesn't have the government's licensing or thereabout. You can send money, you can withdraw money through cryptocurrency. You can send money from Ghana to somebody in the United States. You can send money from Zimbabwe to somebody in Malawi and stuff like that. You keep doing that with cryptocurrency. Number one cryptocurrency, or the very first cryptocurrency that came out, I think, over close to 10 years now, I think over 10 years already, is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the number one cryptocurrency in the world and is the most traded cryptocurrency in the world. We have Ethereum, Ripple, Cosmos, we have Cardano. These currencies, they are cryptocurrencies. You can't see them physically. They are not like our fiat currencies that we can feel, see, and touch and stuff like that. But I heard lately that they've been printing some physical Bitcoin. I don't know how true that is because I have not seen a physical Bitcoin myself. So guys, that is all for now. These are some of the financial instruments or financial assets that have been traded in the Forex market. Some of your brokers are going to have all of them in their brokerage company. They are going to have all of them available for you to trade. So if you're going to be trading, you can, if you're a beginner, you can choose to trade one cryptocurrency, one stock index, and one currency, okay? One currency pair. You can choose 4 different financial assets to trade just to test of which one is best for you. For me, the one that has been best for me is mainly the currency pairs, but I've traded cryptocurrency, I've traded Bitcoin in the past. So guys, for more videos like this, please be sure to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Please, please, please ensure to hit that subscribe button. Hit it right now. For subsequent videos, I'll be explaining deeper things in the Forex market. All right, now, folks, until next time, peace out.